Hey guys, today I will show you how to turn off voice chat in Monster Hunter World. First, open the options menu from the title screen or the in-game pause menu. Go to audio settings, then scroll until you find voice chat. From here, set voice chat to off. This completely disables voice chat so you will not hear other players and they will not hear you. If you do not want to fully disable it, you can enable push to talk. This way, your microphone only activates when you hold the assigned button, which prevents open mic noise during hunts. Quick tip, if you still want communication without voice chat, use auto-translated shoutouts. Open the in-game menu, head to the communication tab, then scroll down to shoutouts. They work across all languages and are great for random multiplayer hunts. And that's how to turn off voice chat in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.